Today we are learning how to grow tomatoes from seed. Here's what you need to know. Tomatoes like 8 or more hours of sun and prefer temperatures between 55 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Tomatoes are known for their resilience and can survive in less than ideal conditions. Start your tomato seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Tomato seeds should germinate in 5 to 10 days and mature within 60 to 100 days. Sprout your tomato seeds by placing them in a damp paper towel inside an airtight container. Sow the sprouted seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in containers at least 3 inches deep with moist starter soil. Transplant your tomato seedlings outdoors after the last frost, when they're at least 3 inches tall and have their first set of true leaves. Space your tomato plants 18 to 36 inches apart depending on the size of their variety. The goal is to maintain good airflow between the plants. Water your tomatoes a couple times a week when the soil feels dry about an inch below the surface. Prune indeterminate tomato plants by removing unwanted suckers and unhealthy leaves as needed. Harvest your tomatoes when their color begins to turn from green to a yellowish pink but not fully red. Store your tomatoes at room temperature with the stem side down in a single layer while they finish ripening. Do not store your tomatoes in the fridge unless to prevent them from rotting. The cold temperatures hinder the ripening process as well as cause flavor and nutrient loss. Collect seeds from the tomato fruit and vigorously whisk them in water. The good seeds will sink to the bottom. Remove and clean them well before drying them out. Tomato seeds should last about 4 to 6 years. The whole tomato plant can be composted if it is healthy and disease-free, though the vines may turn to string in your compost. There you have it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.